Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about Scratch programming. Scratch is a programming language designed for the children to enhance their computer skills. Scratch language provides inbuilt graphic characters to which we can give commands to perform actions in Scratch projects. Now let's learn how can we able to use Scratch in mobile phones. We can use it without downloading the app. Use Scratch 3.0 offline editor on Google Chrome. First open Google Chrome and search there for Scratch 3.0 offline editor. Then go to the first link, which is Scratch Offline Editor. Then you will get this blue page. There you have an option Join Scratch button for creating your account. After that, you have to create your username. Don't let space in between your username. Try to make a unique username. After that, create your password. Then retype your password and then touch next button. Then select your country and touch next button. Then select your born year and month. And choose next button. After that, type your email ID. Type your valid email ID and touch create your account. Finally, your account is created. You can see your profile button. You can see the profile button at the top right corner. Go there. Now you can see the create button on the top left corner. Choose that and you will get a proper Scratch area for creating your projects. There are exactly same features that are available in your desktop. Now you can enjoy Scratch programming in mobiles also. Thank you for watching. Like and share the video and subscribe the channel.